How to terminate a Python subprocess launched with shell equals true. I'm launching a subprocess with the following command. However, when I try to kill using or, the command keeps running in the background, so I was wondering how can I actually terminate the process. Note that when I run the command with, it does terminate successfully when issuing the p.terminate.
When shell equals true, the shell is the child process, and the commands are its children. So any sigterm or sigkill will kill the shell but not its child processes, and I don't remember a good way to do it. The best way I can think of is to use shell equals false, otherwise when you kill the parent shell process, it will leave a defunct shell process.
Use a process group so as to enable sending a signal to all the process in the groups. For that, you should attach a session ID to the parent process of the spawn/child processes, which is a shell in your case. This will make it the group leader of the processes. So now, when a signal is sent to the process group leader, it's transmitted to all of the child processes of this group. Here's the code.
p.kill ends up killing the shell process and CMD is still running. I found a convenient fix this by. This will cause CMD to inherit the shell process instead of having the shell launch a child process which does not get killed. p.pid will be the ID of your CMD process then. p.kill should work. I don't know what effect this will have on your pipe though.
I could do it using. It killed the cmd.exe in the program that I gave the command for. On Windows.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.